Guys, I know we're all stuck inside, but guess what? I've got a recipe for you that is gonna make you so happy. It's gonna have the kids running down the stairs saying, what is the smell of that? It'll have the neighbors screaming out from the fences asking for a slice. It's my banana bread. I'm gonna use a couple of eggs. And then we add a cup and a half of sugar. Let it whip for about 10 minutes until it's nice and thick and creamy. Next, what we're gonna do is add a little bit of vanilla. Use the extract, not the essence. Extract's much better. Then you want to take your bananas. Now, they're ridiculously ripe by design. You want to leave them out until they get really quite dark, black in colour, because the sweetness of these bananas will be off the charts. Also super soft, so they just blend in real easy. All right, so we turn this back on, but on the low speed. Throw in your yogurt, and then your oil. You want about half a cup of oil. You can use a vegetable oil. I'm actually using an avocado oil because it's what we had at the pantry. But anything pretty neutral in flavour is exactly what you want. And last, a beautiful granola. I suggest you turn it off. Go ahead and dump your dry ingredients in. Flour, baking soda, a little salt and some cinnamon. So stick it back in, pop your lid back on, and you're only going to turn this on for about another 30 seconds. As soon as it comes together, and then you just pour it straight into your bundt pan. So I've preset my oven to about 180, 200 degrees at the most. Goes in there. Now it'll take about an hour, maybe 55 minutes. So I've set my timer to an hour. We'll check it after that. Oh yes, just how I wanted it. Beautiful, golden brown on the top. Look at that. Give it a couple of minutes, don't turn it out, as much as it smells wonderful, and you want to just dig in. The whole thing will be way too soft, so 2 minutes, then we can turn it out. Pop it over what it is on. Steamy, magic, delicious. Now if you want to make it look real pretty, all you do is get yourself a little bit of powdered sugar. Make it rain, baby, make it rain. Woo-hoo! Don't cheat yourself, get it while it's hot. I mean, come on. So good.